I'm on a 2015 Subaru Legacy, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here, with your positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. And next I would check for corrosion, which this does have some corrosion, which I would clean up with a good rag or brush. After that, I'd make sure each of these terminals are tight, which if they aren't, you can tighten them up. So these are nice and tight, so there's a good metal connection. After that, then with your jump box or jumper cables, you'll take the metal clamps and have your positive clamp directly to the metal here, as much metal contact as you can, and then your negative clamp on as much of the metal here as you can. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle is turned on and the motor running, and you want to make sure the positive runs directly to the positive on the other car, and the negative directly to the negative on the other car. You don't want to crisscross them by mistake, because that could cause damage to your computer system, circuits, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've had these connected for at least a few minutes or so with a good metal connection, that hopefully will be enough to get your battery started. If that hasn't, and you've been trying it for quite a while, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening these terminals to take them off, taking off the support bar, and then just raising the old battery out, setting the new battery in, and then just reattaching everything nice and tight. You should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.